Tonight, we're not only looking back at how far we've come, we're also looking ahead at how much further we can go. And that is exactly what our theme is all about. Go beyond together.
A partner means you believe in us. It means you showed up again and again, not because you had to, but because you chose to. And that choice, made quietly and consistently over time, is what built everything we know stand in together.
Bawat pangyayari sa buhay natin ay inihahanda tayo sa mga maaaring mas maganda na kalalagyan natin. It's all about the quality of service that you provide to our customers. Ang isang strength lang ng ating company is really all about the people. At nagsusuporta sa Global Dominion ay ang mga tao po, katulad po ninyong mga kapartners.
Well, I've been with Global Dominion for 19 years. Si Global Dominion, it gives me the feeling na I'm in a family. Yung recognition, it gives me a lot. It gives me a push to work more. Hindi siya work for me. Parang it's like a hobby.
Isang pinakamalaking blessing sa buhay ko po ang maging bahagi ng Global Dominion. Hindi lang ito naging trabaho para sa akin, in fact. Ito ay naging daan para mabago ang buhay ng aking pamilya. It is a reminder that hard work, dedication, and commitment are always recognized.
Natulungan po ako ni Global not only financially but also in my personality, self-development, and growth po.
Malaking tulong po si Global sa akin, sir. First po, yung tulungan po yung family ko.
Sa Global Dominion, doon ko nakita yung hindi ka lang nagtatrabaho para sa money, but nagtatrabaho ka para makatulong. Kasi nakitaan ko si Global Dominion ng puso.
Di ko po ito maabot kung wala po si Global tsaka yung Panginoon po. Thank you, Global Dominion. #pwede pala.
Tonight is not just an awarding ceremony to me. This is a celebration of our journey, a celebration of hard work, your commitment, your passion, and exceptional results. We are not just in the business of lending money. We are in the business of transforming lives.
Maraming salamat. With Global Dominion, pwede pala.
Thank you so much, Global Dominion. More releases and accounts to come. Thank you, #pwede pala.
Your performance proves that when we master our craft, we create a greater value of the people we serve. Mid-year is not the finish line, and we pursue to celebrate our performance. We move forward with greater hunger, elevated confidence, and even higher goals. So together, we will not simply meet our goals. Together, we will go beyond.
So tonight, I do not stand here to give you a target. I stand here to say salamat sa tiwala, sa sipag, for every moment you went beyond when going far enough would have been sufficient. Let us continue to go beyond together, sama-sama. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong commitment. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta at higit sa lahat po, maraming salamat sa pagtulong po sa napakaraming MSMEs, individuals, no, na para may angat din yung kanilang mga buhay. So manatili po tayong totoo at tapat, no, sa ating pagbibigay serbisyo sa ating mga ka-partner borrowers. So muli po, maraming salamat and congratulations, no, sa lahat ng mga awardees ngayong gabi.